So hi guys, I'm Aisha and for today's video we're actually going to be talking about my skincare routine. At first I was thinking कि maybe मुझे ये video ऐसे करनी चाहिए with a voice over and just telling you guys कि अब मैं ये लगा रही हूँ, ये लगा रही हूँ. But I felt like skincare is an issue जिस पे बात करना, जिस पे discuss करना, it's really important. So my skin is normal like most girls, जो normal skin होती है teenage skins में. Teenage ages mein, but I really like taking care of my skin, so that is what we're talking about today, and that I am actually sharing with you guys my most important, my like lifesavers, because mostly क्या होता है कि हमारे साथ जब हम लोग के हार्मोनल चेंजेस हो रहे होते हैं, so ईद हो गई या कहीं जाना है, कुछ भी होता है गलत टाइम्स पे, सुबह उठो तो पिंपल आ जाता है, पिंपल्स आ जाते हैं, वी गेट एक्ने एट द रॉन्ग टाइम ऑन द रॉन्ग इवेंट्स. सो you know, to just have good skin and take care of your skin, there are a few products that will make your skin way better and बहुत जल्दी काम करेंगे. They will be like really speedy. So 2-3 दफ़ा यूज़ करने हैं ये products, and ये skin care routine है that I actually carry out a few times in a week, like 2 to 3 times तो मैं कर ही लेती हूँ. Especially vacations है, school days में भी I would do these things normally, like regularly. You should do these things. Also, video से पहले I am going to be telling you guys one really good secret to me having good skin, which is कि I like to have vitamin C on a daily basis. So one of the most important things to having a keys basically to having good skin is विटामिन सी. तो अगर आप विटामिन सी की चीज़ें खाएंगे, जैसे कि फ़िश हो गई, जैसे कि विटामिन सी टैबलेट्स मिलती होती हैं, सो इफ़ यू आर गोना डू दिस, तो फिर तो यू आर गोना हैव गुड स्किन फॉर श्योर. बिकॉज आई रिमेंबर देयर वाज अ टाइम जब मैं डेली बेसिस पे खा रही होती थी विटामिन सी. आजकल मिल नहीं रही हैं स्टोर्स में, आई कांट फाइंड देम द वंस आई यूज्ड टू हैव. तो यू कैन फाइंड एनी जो आपको आपका डॉक्टर जो है रिकमेंड करें. यू शुड ओनली हैव दोज. मेरी अलग हैं, आप लोग की अलग हो सकती हैं. सो देयर इज बीन अ लॉट ऑफ टॉकिंग, लेट्स जस्ट गेट इनटू द वीडियो. So before we get into anything, I want you guys to make sure that your skin is clean, it's oil free. So I'm just using this cotton, and just it's basically a wet cotton. इसमें पानी है. It has I soaked it into water basically, and अब I'm just cleaning this part पूरे अच्छे से so that there is no oil. You can also like wash your face before, but मेरा मुंह तो धुला हुआ है, so थोड़ा सा oil तो आ जाता होता है. So for that we're just cleaning it. There wasn't anything on my skin but still clean. So makeup भी अगर आप लोग ने किया हुआ है, it's very important कि आप makeup भी उतारें. Scrub by Body Boom, Tree House, पता नहीं है किसका है, but yeah, this is the one, Body Boom. इसमें लिखा हुआ भी है, this is the coffee scrub, and I will be scrubbing my skin with this. अगर आपको स्क्रब्स नहीं सूट करते, यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक स्टीम्स. बेसिकली आप जो है हॉट जो गर्म पानी है उसकी स्टीम ले सकते हैं ताकि आपके जो है पोर्स ओपन अप हो जाएं. तो कॉफ़ी स्क्रब्स आर रियली गुड फॉर यू, बिकॉज कॉफ़ी आपकी स्किन के लिए वैसे ही काफ़ी अच्छी होती है. तो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ करूँगी. दिस इज़ द अमाउंट दैट आई एम यूजिंग. सो अब दिस इज़ ड्राई. इसमें आप अगर थोड़ा सा पानी ऐड अप कर लें, सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी बेटर. आपके थोड़ा बेटर हो जाएगा, थोड़ा ईजियर हो जाएगा टू अप्लाई इट ऑन योर स्किन. एंड सपोज टू लीव दिस मास्क ऑन फॉर अबाउट 3 to 5 minutes, whatever suits you. I'm gonna leave this on for 3 minutes. 1 minute हो चुका है. So let's wait for 2 more minutes and get back into our routine.
So I have the charcoal mask on my finger. I'm just applying it with my finger. It's your choice, whatever you want to apply it with. You can apply it with a brush, with a spatula, or with your finger. So basically the areas where is our basically this area, basically my T-zone. इधर लगाना है आप लोगों ने. And more of that. One more area is your chin, so you have to also apply it on your chin.
So now we're going to remove this mask. I can hardly speak, so yeah. I'm gonna remove this upwards, so let's start. Let me just warn you guys that this is gonna hurt so much. This is gonna hurt like a lot. It's gonna be like you're basically cutting yourself with a knife, something like that. If you've cut yourself with a knife, you would know, but don't try it.
So if you guys think I look a little more fresher now, this mask and scrubbing the back, so please let me know if you guys think that, because I think I look so much better. And I think I could just go to like an event right now without any makeup on, ball holder. Oh my God, stupid!
So guys, the next thing that we're doing is using this mask. It is by Freeman, and it is the Cucumber Renewing Peel Off Gel Mask. And I don't remember how much I got this for. I don't remember any of the prices though. But you can get all of these products from like a nearby store or whatever. So I'm just applying this on my skin. I applied this mask on my skin in my Eid vlog as well, so if you guys haven't seen that, you should probably go ahead and watch the Eid vlog, because Eid was nice. It was kind of boring, but it was quite nice. So just apply the mask all over your face, and trust me, लगाते वक्त you know, you start feeling अच्छा सा ठंडा सा एक आता है on your skin. There's this cold feeling, there's this refreshing feeling. Okay, I almost poked my eye though. I also like to apply this on my neck, so this is actually very moisturizing as well. मेरी skin के लिए तो है moisturizing, and this mask is for normal to combo skin. I think dry skin के लिए भी शायद मिलता होगा, I'm not sure, but this particular mask is for normal to combo skin. Basically oily भी हो जो dry भी हो. तो अब लगा लिया है मास्क मैंने. I've rinsed off my face with warm water, and now I'm going to be using some ice on my face. That is to tone my face, like I told you guys before. So I'm just going to be using one ice cube. After this, आपकी skin थोड़ी सी red हो जाएगी. That is only because ice is cold, so इसलिए होगा. But after a while, the redness will go away, and your skin will feel really nice and fresh. So do it on your neck, do it on your forehead. Ow, it's really cold. Just इसको वैसे तो you should wrap it in a tissue or something, but tissue भी in the end फट ही जाता है, it just tears off. So So once you're done with the whole ice cube, I'm not doing the whole thing on camera. It's too time taking, but once you're done with your skincare.